With Gabriel Ellis celebrating his 6th birthday right there. Good looking picture, Gabe. You have a great day, my friend.
All right, next up we've got Sawyer Storm. I love that name.
I love it.
All right, Sawyer is 7 strong this year, and he's in Jasper, Missouri.
Sawyer, I always look forward to your birthday coming around, buddy. With a name like that, how can I not? That's tremendous. Isaac Wilkes, he is celebrating his 9th birthday. And Isaac, I want you to know that these happy birthday wishes come with love from the whole family.
All right, we've got Brooklyn Young turning 9 years old as well. That's a pretty cool cake.
My goodness, look at that cake.
That's a little unicorn cake there. All right, Brooklyn is in Pittsburgh.
Connor Profit in Pittsburgh as well, celebrating his 14th birthday. You know that anytime we get a shot of somebody out on a diamond, you got a smile on your face and a bat in your hands, that means you are raking. That means you are on a hot streak right there. Happy birthday, Connor.
That's a really good picture. I like that.
That's great.
All right, in Girard, it's time to celebrate for Brock Scales.
He's not 18.
Isn't that hard to believe?
He's not 18.
18. With a little throwback pic there. I love that picture. It's so cute.
That's
Great
great.
posture for a little guy there.
Barrett Norfolk is celebrating the big 3. Oh, yeah, hunting trip. Love it. Barrett, a very happy birthday to you, and I love to see you have the little one out there with you. Barrett's in Carl Junction.
Here's a good picture. All right. Jeff Terzner celebrating the big 6-0 this year. Reason to smile there. And Jeff is in Heffler, Kansas.
Now, she's known as Grandma Chocolate. Now, officially her name is Rosie Horn, but she's known as Grandma Chocolate. And Rosie, I want you to know that this comes with love from your kids, your grandchildren, your great-grandchildren, and yes, Rosie even has great-great-grandchildren. A happy birthday, Mrs. Horn in Quapaw.
All right, happy birthday, Miss Rosie. And in Columbus, Donna Holleran is celebrating another year wiser. Happy birthday, Donna. It's a great one.
I want to say something about John Boelander here. Number one, John and Linda, congratulations. And here's how John remembers his anniversary and his wife's birthday. Linda, happy birthday to you, ma'am. So while they celebrate their 20th anniversary, Linda also celebrates her birthday tomorrow. So John and Linda, congrats. And Linda, a happy early birthday to you in Parsons. Well played, John. Well played.
All right. Mr. Jackin and Miss DeVine are celebrating 70 years together. What a wonderful picture there.
That is tremendous. 70 years.
Anniversary. Yes.
My goodness. Congratulations, Jack and Lois. That's wonderful. Vicki Lepich, give you a screen all to yourself, man. A very happy birthday to Miss Vicki in the Knack. Happy birthday, happy anniversary to all. Here's Tanya Bach with a very important birthday announcement.
That's right. You can be a part of the KOAM Birthday Club by going to our website and signing up. And once you do, you'll get special deals from local businesses. Go to KOAMnewsnow.com and sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club today.